This is the new incoming Tecno Pova 3, the direct successor to the Pova 2 of last year. The Pova 3 of this year will feature a 6.95 inches IPL screen display with 1080 by 2460 pixel, amounting to a pixel density of 382 ppi, and has a screen to body ratio of 20:9, also giving you a 90Hz refreshment of rates and 180Hz touch sampling rates. The Tecno Pova 5G runs on the latest Android version, which is the Android 12 HIOS 12.0, alongside with a MediaTek Helio G88 chipset and Mali G MC52. Well, I must say that the Helio G88 supports only 4G connectivity, so that means that the Pova 3 won't be coming with a 5G connection. But if you still insist on getting a 5G Pova phone, I will highly recommend the Pova 5G for you, okay? Moving on to the right hand side of the device, you get the volume rocker keys, the power button, which also doubles up as the fingerprint scanner. On the left hand side is the SIM card trays, which accepts dual nano SIM cards, and you also have a slot for your SD card. At the bottom is the USB Type-C charging port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, and the speaker grills. Going over to the back of this phone, you get a triple rail camera setup, an LED flash. The first gives you a 50 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel macro, 2 megapixel depth sensing camera, and 2 megapixel AI autofocus. While on the front is a 8 megapixel poncho camera cutout with a dual flash, and also can shoot videos at 1080p and 30 frames per second. The phone comes with a glass front, plastic back, and a plastic frame, and also it comes in various colors such as the electric blue, the tech silver, and the eco black, but I would really prefer the eco black. It just looks mature. Tecno Pova 3 will be coming with a huge battery life of 7000 mAh and offering you a 33 watts fast of charge, which means that with just a single charge, this phone can carry you up to 2 days or even more than. Talking about the storage of the Tecno Pova 3, you can choose from the 4 gigs of RAM, which gives you 64 gigabytes of internal storage, or you choose from the 6 gigs of RAM, which gives you 128 gigabytes of internal storage. So if you're a gamer, the Pova 3 is definitely a good device for you. Note that the particular price and the specific releasing dates of the Tecno Pova 3 haven't been yet confirmed, but I will keep you updated and also share my unboxing experience of the Tecno Pova 3 once I get it. So for you not to miss out, kindly turn on the bell icon, subscribe to the channel so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new content like this one. See you guys in my next video.